Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. A quick addition to my last video. Facebook has officially surpassed the $1 trillion market valuation, or the market cap. It officially is valued at $1.01 trillion. The really good thing to know about that is the last time somebody reached $1 million, they actually ended up. So the last time the company, which was Apple, reached $1 trillion, they actually ended up reaching $2 trillion in a year, as opposed to their whole lifespan of trying to hit that $1 trillion market cap. So with that being said, I do think Facebook has a solid run to the upside, possibly doubling their worth, and going for that $2 trillion market cap. That market cap. I honestly think that Facebook right now would be a crazy good long-term buy, as I do think it's headed towards the $700 mark. I probably would buy something right now, just because on the valuations that or on the thesis that Apple hit $1 trillion a year later, 2 trillion. Microsoft hit $1 trillion already, like a year or so later, $2 trillion. I do think Facebook is going to be headed in that same direction, and I'm probably going to be adding a long-term position to Facebook as of today, probably. But yeah, Facebook hits $2 trillion. Absolutely insane, man. Super awesome.